Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 7th term 3 science unit 2 universe and space lessons la book back answer full நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? First choose the correct answer. First one, the moon takes dash days to complete one revolution around the earth. Answer C 27. Second one, if the moon is appearing in the sky today near the star Kartigai, the position of the moon after 27 days is near the star. Answer D Aswini. Third one, telescope was invented by. Answer A. Handley per se. Fourth one, the galaxy containing young and hot star is. Answer D. Spiral galaxy. Next, fifth one, with the launch of the satellite, ISRO became capable of launching 4-ton heavy satellites. Answer C. Vapor GZ-19. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, waxing of moon means. Answer, growing or expanding. Second one, heliocentric model is proposed by. Answer, Nicholas Copernicus. Third one, dash is the prevailing model of evaluation of the universe. Answer, the Big Bang theory. Fourth one, dash is a large constellation which covers a large parts of the sky. Answer, Ursa Major. Fifth one, dash is the first satellite launched by India. Answer, Aryabhatta. Third one, true or false? If false, give the correct answer. First one, on a full moon day when the sun is setting in the west, moon rises in the west. Answer, false. Correct statement. On a full moon day when the sun is setting in the west, moon rises in the east. Second one, the world crescent refers to the places where the moon is less than half illuminated. Answer, true. Third one, Galileo accepted the geocentric model. Answer, false. Correct statement. Galileo did not accept the geocentric model. Fourth one, our Milky Way galaxy is identified as an elliptical galaxy. Answer, false. Correct statement. Our Milky Way galaxy is identified as an galaxy. Fifth one, the planet Venus in our solar system does not have a moon. Answer, true. Fourth Roman, match the following. Answer, first one can answer, Rohini SLV 3, GZ 14, GSLV D5. Next third one, GZ 19 GSLV more 13. Third. Fourth, Chandrayaan 2, GSLV more third M1. Fifth one, Mangalyaan PSLV XL C25 தான் இதோட ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் அனாலஜி பார்க்கலாமா. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஓல்டர் ஸ்டார்ஸ் elliptical galaxies. Younger stars என்னது spiral galaxies. Second one, nearest galaxy Andromeda. Nearest star வந்து என்னது sun. Next sixth one, very short answer பார்க்கலாமா. First one, the word dash refers to the phases when the moon is less than half illuminated. Answer, crescent. Crescent kibasa. Which answer correct? Crescent. Okay, second one, Mercury and Venus planets never appear in the midnight sky. இதில் என்ன ஆன்சர்னா Mercury and Venus தான். ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன், நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் டேக்கன் பை த மோஸ் டு ஆர்பிட் அரவுண்ட் த சன். ஆன்சர் 687 days. Fourth one, in which space does the size of the planet Venus is small? Answer, Kibbe space. Fifth one, the only evidence of the Big Bang theory is. Answer, the only evidence of the Big Bang theory is a faint glow in space called cosmic microwave background. Next, sixth one, the galaxy which contains abundant amount of gas and dust is. Answer, irregular galaxies. Seventh one, which country launched the world's first artificial launch vehicle? Answer, Russia. Seventh Roman short answer questions. First one, what is epicycle model? Cyclic model. Answer, to explain the bustling phenomena, astronomers in early times proposed a change in the simple geocentric model. This is called as epicycle model. Second one, name the 4 different types of galaxies. Answer, first one, spiral galaxy. Second one, elliptical galaxy. Third one, irregular galaxy. Fourth, broad spiral galaxy. Next, third one, what is constellation? Answer, constellation is a recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky when viewed from the earth. Next, fourth one, give the expansion of PSLV and GSLV. Answer, PSLV is polar satellite launch vehicle. GSLV, geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. Next, 8 Roman, answer in detail பார்க்கலாமா. First, explain the waxing and waning phases in Venus. Answer, Galileo was startled to find like moon Venus to exhibited phases. The shape varied from crescent to gibbous. Also, the size of the planet varied. When the planet was in gibbous space, the size was small, and when it was thin crescent, the size was many folds higher. இந்த மாதிரி இமேஜ் வந்து ட்ரா பண்ணணுமா. வீனஸோட இது ஆர்பிட்டு, சன் எர்த் இருக்குது, அதோட ஸ்பேசஸ் கிரசன்ட்டோட ஸ்பேசஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. As the Venus went around the epicycle as shown in the diagram, Venus would exhibit phases. Also, at times the planet would be nearer, making the apparent size grow bigger, and at times far, making the apparent size smaller. Thus, the variation in the brightness can also be explained. செகண்ட் பாருங்கம்மா, இது வந்து இது வீனஸோட அடுத்து சன் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, சென்டரில் இருக்குது, எர்த். ஓகேவா? இந்த இதோட look at the above diagram. If the Venus was going around the sun and its orbit is inside that of earth, Venus would appear always near the sun in the sky. It can never be seen in the midnight sky. Next point, when it is near the earth, it would be brighter and bigger compared to when it is on the other side of the sun. Next point, thirdly, only if the Venus is revolving around the sun, it can exhibit Kuiper space, and the size of the Kuiper space smaller than the crescent space. If the Venus was revolving around the earth, we can never see the Kuiper space of the Venus, and it would be seen only if it is orbiting the sun. Next, the clinching observational evidence proved that at least Venus orbited around the sun. Further evidences collected by astronomers using telescope and other advanced modern instruments gave enough evidence that all planets revolve around the sun. Okay, second question பார்க்கலாமா? Write short notes on constellations. Answer. A constellation is a recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky when viewed from the earth. International Astronomical Union has classified 88 constellations to cover the entire celestial sphere. Many of the old constellations have Greek or Latin names and are often named after mythological characters. Second point பார்க்கலாமா? Ursa Major Saptarishi Mandalam is large constellation and it covers a large part of the sky. The most striking feature of this constellation is a group of 7 bright stars known as Big Dipper, 7 sagas in Indian astronomy. Next point, Ursa Minor is Latin, means the little bear. It lies in the northern sky. The pole star Polaris Through lies within this constellation. The main group Little Dipper consists of 7 stars and is quite similar to that found in Ursa Major. Next point, Orion was a hunter in Greek mythology. The constellation comprises around 81 stars, out of which all but 10 are to be seen with naked eye. Different constellations become visible in the sky at different times in the year. This happens due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. Next point, unlike galaxy, constellation are mere optical appearance and not real objects. In galaxies, stars are bound by gravity and constitute a system. In a constellation, one star may be near and another very, very far, but because they are in the same direction, appear to be near to each other in the sky. Okay, next, second hot questions பார்க்கலாமா? HOT. First, Neelan and Mala are having a conversation about our universe. Neelan is telling our earth will be the only planet in the entire universe to have a life with. But Mala is opposing his view by citing certain points. What would be the argument of Mala? Do you support Mala? Justify your stand. Answer பார்க்கலாமா? I would like to support Neelan because life is possible only on the earth due to presence of water, oxygen, various gases and suitable temperature which enables us to live. Yes or no? Yes. Mala opposed Neelan's view based on the following points. என்ன points பார்க்கலாமா? First points, like the sun, there might be billions of other stars with their own planets revolving around them. Thus, the second point பாருங்க, thus there are many chances of any plant getting the suitable conditions for supporting life. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம வீடியோ வந்து உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.